We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
If your recipe contains both baking soda and cream of tartar, you can easily substitute with baking powder instead. Summary: baking powder can be used to replace cream of tartar in recipes that also contain baking soda. Substitute 1.5 teaspoons 6 grams of baking powder for 1 teaspoon 3.5 grams of cream of tartar.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.